Hello Jams, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe, and if you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. Jams, I hope you have a pen and a notebook. I want to share with you feminine tips you should steal from Loriharvey. So, if you don't know who Loriharvey is, it's okay, I got you. Loriharvey is the daughter of Marjorie and Steve Harvey, and right now, currently, most people know her as Michael B. Jordan's girlfriend. People don't know much about her, like most celebrities. I mean, people know about Selena, people know about Kylie Jenner, but Lori doesn't give us much, and people always assume about her. So that's something really cool, and we're also gonna talk about that. But otherwise, she is one of the most esteemed feminine black women in our community, and I wanna give you some reasons why. This is gonna be a short video, so I'm excited because she really doesn't give us much, but this is just something that I've studied from her. So the first thing is, she is the prize. First off, her vibe tells it all. We can just tell she's the prize because of the vibe she gives us. She's not the type of woman to chase a man or something like that. She clearly understands and knows her value, and so people around her know they have to meet a certain standard. Ladies, tell me if you would want me to do a separate video on this, on being the prize, on how to be the prize, and how to know if you are the prize. I know there's some men who think they are the prize, but it's wrong. It is wrong. It is women who are the prize, and it has always been like that. And you should always act as if you are the prize. No, because you are the prize. So let me know in the comments if you'd love me to do a video on how to become the prize, and I'll do it. Next point is move in silence. Now, we don't have to know what you have for breakfast. First off, we don't care. And just to put it out there, being an open book makes you less attractive and boring. Also, you don't want to be telling everyone your plans and dreams, because they're jealous people and they'll try to destroy, and there are people who will even try to discourage you from achieving your plans, your goals, your dreams. And also, just to know, is not everyone laughing with you is happy for you. Moving in silence is really, really important, because you get to win in silence, you get to make moves in silence, and if you fall, it won't be the same if everyone knew about what you were doing, and the fall will be humiliating if everyone knew what you were doing. But if you fall and you're moving in silence, it will just be you, and you'll be able to dust off and move forward. So ladies, moving in silence is something really good. We never really know what Loriharvey is planning until she launches it, and we're like, wow, she just launched a new skincare product. Wow, she just did a collaboration with Naked. Wow, she just did this or did the other, and that's amazing. That's really amazing for even us as feminine women. You don't have to tell people everything. And yes, you can be on social media and we don't know anything about you, because you have to be strategic with how you post. The next point is don't date down. I think this is my favorite because I actually learned this from Loriharvey and of course my mom, but yeah, they do. She really had an effect. So except for Future, Lori has a record of dating high value men. I mean, the first man she got engaged to was a prince, and my goodness, that's just amazing. So do not settle for potential. The building with a man narrative won't lead you anywhere but broke and heartbroken. Just know if a man really wants you, he will rise to the standards. I was listening to a podcast by Ayala Speaks. You should follow her on Instagram, and she made a really good point. And it's true that if you date a man with potential, when he finally rises to become a high value man, he will leave you and he will get a woman who cannot settle for potential because there are such women out there. Even in movies, we see that when a man was broke, once they become rich and they start leveling up, they leave the woman who was there with them when they were broke, and they get to have another woman. They get another woman, a different woman who will not settle for less, and they do this so quick, so easily, and just like that with a snap. So ladies, take it from me that you do not want to date down. Put your standards high. Put your standards high because a man will rise to that standard. He will. If he really likes you, he will. I've seen men go far and beyond, doing crazy things just to make sure they have money to support the woman they want. And a really nice movie about this is the Leonardo DiCaprio movie, The Great Gatsby. Oh my god, you guys, if you watch that movie, you'll see how Leonardo DiCaprio had to go 2 years of making money, of learning how to level up, so that he can be the type of man that the love of his life wanted. Because the love of his life wanted a rich man, wanted a man who was stable, wanted a man who was high value, and he had to rise to that standard. The next point is take care of your appearance. If you've seen in all the pictures I've been posting in this video, all the pictures I've been using in this video, Lori hasn't given us a makeup-free look, hasn't given us a makeup-free face. She hasn't posted any pictures where she's looking unkempt. She's kept all her photos really perfect, out of better words. And that's really important because you want to you want to put your best foot forward. You want to show people a side of you that is amazing, because people will treat you like this. This is what you're giving us, and people will reflect it back on you. So always leave the house looking good, even if it's to the supermarket. Don't leave the house with your bonnet and the PJs. It doesn't have to be foreground, it doesn't, but just something simple, because Lori always has such a simple look. Well done hair, makeup less free look, and brushed brows, lip gloss. That's a good start. You can just have that, and the eyes and the lips are usually very important. Now ladies, that is it. As I promised, this was going to be a really short video, so tell me in the comments which other celebrity you'd love me to break down, and I will gladly do it. I hope you love this video.